All right. So this time for muscle testing, what we're going to be doing is muscle testing with a pendulum. And a pendulum really is anything that hangs from a cord. So you can have a necklace that could be a pendulum. Oh goodness, you could even have like a little Christmas thing. It doesn't matter. You guys can have anything that you want. And as long as it swings, it's considered a pendulum. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust this camera so that you guys can see the paper because I want it to be down. All right. So what you guys are going to have is a piece of paper and your pen. And I'll just adjust it again, just a sec. All right. First off, what you're going to do is you are going to draw your hand. Okay, so just kind of draw your hand onto the piece of paper. Okay, so then you are going to have your hand drawn. So from here, middle finger, so if I have my hand on here, middle finger is going to be a positive, okay? So you're going to put a plus sign there. So it's a plus, it's a positive. And your pointer finger is going to be a negative. And your thumb is going to be a neutral, okay? So plus, minus, neutral. Yes, no, maybe, or ask a better question. All right, so Hannah Kruger, when I read her book, I loved how she teaches this, so this is more of her way. And what it is that your middle finger is a positive, your pointer is a negative, and your thumb is a neutral. So when you go to hold a pendulum, what you want to do is, one, have your elbow touch the table or something. And then your fingers, you guys want so that your fingers actually have all three, okay? So then you're touching it with all three. Because if I only touch it with two, then I'm kind of making it a yes and a no by itself. But if I hold it with three, then my fingers are naturally a neutral. Okay, so you allow the pendulum to be at whatever distance that you like. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hold the pendulum over top of the positive or the yes finger and ask the pendulum to show you a yes. Really, what you're doing, you guys, this isn't woo-woo. This is your subconscious mind. You're programming your subconscious mind, but we're using a pendulum as the object that's going to show us the yes or the no. So then I'm going to move over to the no finger and ask it to show me a no. Okay, and then I'm going to move it over to the neutral and show me a neutral. So now this is me doing this for 21 years. So my yes is a straight line. My no is a circle. And my neutral really doesn't move. Okay, so you're going to practice this until every single time you get the exact same motion for the exact same answer. Now you got to remember, this can only do yes, no, and a maybe. Okay, so you're going to practice. You're going to keep practicing. So with this, again, if you have it go here, if you have it go here, if you have it go this direction, I really don't care how your guys' move, right? The only thing that matters is that every single time it's the same motion. And you are going to practice that until every single time it's the same motion. So now, pendulum, why would I use a pendulum? I use it for emotional clearing technique. So it's a technique that I use for coaching and for counseling. And it's a very, it has its own little technique of how you do it, and it's a modality all by itself, but pendulum works very well because it's very easy to use. So a pendulum, you guys, can only answer a yes-no question, and when it stays still, really it means maybe or ask a better question. your question is still the most important. But go ahead and have fun and practice with your pendulum. Talk to you guys later.